details.
Tiny things, big reveals. Look close, see what's concealed.
Welcome to the details.
Good morning. Welcome to the details. Let me show you something about the buffet. We're here on the Norwegian Pearl cruise ship. People come into the buffet. They have a hard time finding a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. However, it's early, so usually these seats are all filled up. But if you continue to the end, there's one little detail that most people don't pay attention to. That detail is right here. It says, "Dear guest, more seating." This is the Italian restaurant. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Now the Italian restaurant is open for breakfast and lunch, has extra seating, but no one ever comes in here. You'll always be able to find seats in here. And if you go right out to the back, this is usually always full also, but they have a buffet back here. It'll probably be opening in a couple minutes.
Welcome to the details.